Hello, this is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading, and I'm going to be teaching on the importance of a trading log today. Now, I always use a trading log when I'm trading. I do it for a couple reasons. So I'm able to record exactly what's going on. I'm able to record my profit and loss, and I'm also able to see what exactly I did and the reasons why I entered a trade. And the first thing I always put in my log is I write the rules. That way I don't forget them. And on this particular log I wrote enter on the moving average crossover. I make sure that I keep my risk at 0.02%, very important, and have a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio. And I also make sure that I trade only in the first 2.5 hours of the session open. For example, the first 2.5 hours of the London market, or the first 2.5 hours of the Asian or New York sessions, because of the volume is greater and that's the right time to trade. So I always put my rules so I know where they're at, and then I go over here and I keep track of certain things, like I keep the date, then I keep track of the pair traded, I keep track of my entry, my exit, I keep track of what I risked, what my profit was, and then I keep notes. And right here I wrote, I followed the setup because it was a good crossover, the trade worked great. On the next one I lost, I said I did not follow the rule of trading when the market opens, that's why I lost. And so this way you're able to see why you're not being successful. You're writing down the reasons. If you're following, you're knowing if you're following your rules, if you're being disciplined, if you're following your risk management. This way will show you, it will give you detail as to why you're not being successful. Now, if you don't have a trading log, there's no way you can know what's going on. It's just by memory. This will help you become a successful trader. I highly recommend that you do this. If you don't, there is no way you can be a profitable trader. One guy told me, well, I don't do it because I have brokerage statements. Yes, I get brokerage statements too, but it doesn't tell me why I enter trades. It helps me. I look at that statement and there's 50 trades on there. I can't remember everything. And yeah, you might be able to be profitable without it, but this helps me tremendously. So I definitely recommend that you put together your own spreadsheet. And I did this one in Google Documents. You just go to Google, you click Docs, then you click Spreadsheet. It's very simple to do, and it will pay off with profits in the end. Thank you. And visit Winner's Edge Trading for more tips.